Use of brine liquids is part of a cost-effective strategy for winter highway maintenance. Brine is a mixture of salt and water that helps to lower the freezing point of winter precipitation to below 32 degrees, preventing snow and ice from bonding to the pavement. Using brine mixtures helps us reduce dependence on rock salt, saving money and introducing less chloride into the environment. This makes winter maintenance more sustainable and helps to protect our groundwater and the life that depends on it. The Wisconsin DOT is working with county highway maintenance departments throughout the state to use more liquid brine when fighting winter storms. It's up to all of us to work together to use more brine and less salt.
It's both a combination of actually being more effective, having another tool actually in the toolbox to go out there and do something other than just put rock salt down.
There's a cost savings, the environmental impact is big too, but the main thing is the stuff does work.
Visit Wisconsindot.gov for more information about winter highway maintenance.